Welcome. Today, we're diving into a handy feature on LinkedIn that many users might not be aware of: how to search through your messages on PC, especially after the latest updates. This is a simple yet powerful tool that can save you time and help you find important conversations quickly. First, let's get started by opening your web browser and navigating to LinkedIn.com. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, you'll see the familiar LinkedIn interface. Next, look towards the top menu of the page. Here, you'll find various icons representing different features of LinkedIn. Click on the messaging icon, which looks like an envelope. This will take you to your messaging interface where all your conversations are stored. Now that you're in the messaging section, you'll notice a search bar at the top. This is where the magic happens. Click on this search bar and type in keywords related to what you're looking for. This could be the name of a contact, a specific topic discussed, or any other relevant term that might help you locate the message you need. As you type, LinkedIn will automatically filter your messages to show results that match your search criteria. Once you've entered your search term, take a moment to review the filtered results. You'll see a list of conversations that contain your keywords. This makes it incredibly easy to find past discussions without having to scroll through endless threads. If you want to refine your search further, consider using additional keywords or phrases that were part of your conversation. This can help narrow down the results even more, making it quicker to locate exactly what you're looking for. In summary, searching for messages on LinkedIn is straightforward. 1. Open LinkedIn.com and log into your account. 2. Click on the messaging icon in the top menu. 3. Use the search bar to type in relevant keywords related to your message. With this new update, finding important messages has never been easier. So next time you're trying to track down a conversation on LinkedIn, remember these simple steps. Happy networking.